Hey guys! In today's video I'm going to be sharing a quick tip for you guys to fix any type of connection problem in your Samsung Galaxy phone that seems to happen quite often based on the messages I get on this issue. So I talking about any kind of Wi-Fi connection problems, any kind of Bluetooth connection problems, or any kind of data connection problems, internet data. So a few days ago, I had my cousin come up to me. He was unable to connect to the internet or use Wi-Fi or his data for some reason, and he was about to sell his phone and get a brand new one, or pay somebody for repair which will charge hundred of money. He discussed his phone issue with me first. So here's all you have to do. You go to your phone settings and then go to General Management. Once you're in here, you go into Reset. There's a lot of options here. Don't make a mistake into Effect or Reset. That's going to delete everything on your phone. What you want to do is you want to tap on Reset Network Settings. So when I click on it, you'll see this will fix Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth by bringing them back to their factory setting, which is 99% of the time resolves any connectivity problems. Once you're here, you need to click on Reset Settings. You need to put in your PIN number. It might ask you for your Samsung password, and boom, you are gonna be good to go. The phone is gonna work for you and don't have to sell the phone. Don't have to send it for repairs or pay somebody to fix it. All right. So that was just a quick video on how to reset your network settings and fix any potential problems. Any questions, comments or concerns, or any tips you guys have, drop them down below in comment section and let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to To Fix by clicking on the subscribe button, and also click the bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time when I upload a new video. And if you do use Instagram or Facebook, you can follow me at To Fix to get the latest updates as well. Alright. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching.